All right, what's up guys? This is Trey with Smart Home Starter, and today just wanted to do a quick video on why your Samsung TV might be blinking red. So if you are getting a red blinking light, that usually means that something's wrong, and a lot of times it's not a good thing. We're talking full replacement of the TV. So I'm going to give you a few reasons why it might be blinking red and a few things we can do to fix the issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these issues on the screen right next to me, but we're going to have a power supply failure, software glitch, hardware defect, HDMI port or cable defect. Maybe there's an issue with your surge protector, and it could be as simple as changing your remote batteries. Now, obviously, some of those are best case scenario. So fingers crossed it's one of those. So let's break those down in the solutions that come with them. So what we're going to look at is actually doing a simple cold boot for your TV. So how this works is we're going to turn the TV on, right? And we're going to grab our remote. With our remote, what we're going to do is we're going to press this power button until the TV turns off and then back on. So what this is doing is kind of pushing out some of that residual electric buildup that sometimes is inside our TVs. These are electric products, so it does happen a lot. So we're just going to push all that out, and hopefully this fixes your problem. Now, another best case scenario is honestly just taking your batteries and changing them. We've seen a lot of people through forums or wherever else who've had this red blinking light and were able to fix it by just simply changing the batteries inside their remote control. So the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to inspect the TV, right? We're going to take a look at the condition of the screen. Is there anything wrong with it? We're going to look at the HDMI ports. Are there any damage to these that could be causing the issue? We're also going to remove all of the HDMI cables connected to the TV. We're going to take a look at those, make sure that they're in good working order, give them a quick clean if we need to, and then we can reconnect those and then test the TV to see if it's still blinking. Another issue or another solution that we're going to look at is actually just changing the outlet that you've plugged your TV into. So we're going to just move it to a different outlet. Sometimes these outlets do go bad or just don't work nicely with our stuff. So we're going to check that. And lastly, what we're going to do is actually take a look at the surge protector that we're currently using. Surge protectors have a life of 3 to 5 years. So if you're outside of that range, your surge protector might be bad. And it could use a replacement, right? So we're just going to check that to see if it helps. Oh, so one more tip is we're actually going to check to see if there's a software update on the TV. So what we're going to do is open the settings tab and go to general, and in there somewhere we should see if there's a software update. Now if there is, obviously what we're going to do is update the TV and see if we can fix the issue that way. Now if your TV is less than a year old, you may still be under warranty. So since this is sometimes or a lot of times an internal issue, we're going to get on the phone or we're going to send Samsung an email directly to see if we're still under warranty. You never know, you could get a replacement through the warranty, although it is going to be a lot of work. I don't know if you guys have ever tried to redeem any type of warranty. So I'd say it's a lot better than having to replace a whole TV, honestly. So definitely give them a try. So now if none of those things worked for you, unfortunately it looks like you're going to need a new TV. Fingers crossed that it did work, and I hope that it helped. If you guys could just drop a comment, a like, let me know what's going on, and maybe we can do a little bit more research for you. But that's all I have for today. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you guys next time.